What is up, guys? Happy 2024. Here from Forex for Beginners. This is truly PabloPipsFX. And I just want to wish you guys all a prosperous new year and congratulations for those who ended 2023 in profit. This video will be all about just an update. Today is day 5. Yeah, today is day 5 because we did not post an update for or Vix75 and Step Index robot on the New Year's Eve. So this would be an update of day 4 and day 5. Alright, so let's just quickly jump into this video because it's going to be real short. So right off the bat, this is the same account. It's showing you a period of last 3 months. So last 3 months, when we checked it a few days ago, we were up like $900. Now we are up 2,200 on the account. Looking back, let's go from the 28th. Let's go through them individually and see. Right, let's go through them individually and see just how much we made for each day. So we started on the 28th. Is when we started testing this. On the 28th, which was day 1, we made a total of $621.54. You can go ahead and back check this on the first video we released. It's the same amount. And on day 2, which is the 29th, the account was up a total from the 28th to the 29th. We made an amount of $2,288 there on the account. Just between those 2 days, on day 2 itself, we had made an amount of $1,697.57 on just a single day. Alright, guys, and I'm actually optimizing this as the days go by. So for pairs that I see not performing so well, I go ahead and just remove that from our EA or robot. Alright, so we went ahead and removed Vix100 1S because we saw that we were taking a bit of losses there for that pair, for that DERIV pair, so we went ahead and had it removed. So the best pairs, this runs on basket pairs as well, but for now it's totally optimized for Vix75 and Step Index. So right now we are providing the set files for this DERIV robot for Vix75 and Step Index. Alright, so just to be clear, so that is the results for day 2. On the 30th, which was the Sunday, let's see what that was like. So we made a total profit of $1,300. Exactly, it's $1,340.76. And I'm sorry if I'm going a bit fast here, guys. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible just to please the algorithms. But let's go ahead and proceed on day 5, which should be today. No, day 4, the 31st, which is New Year's Eve. We made a total of $1,232.99. Alright, so that's day 4, and today, the final day, which is January the 1st. Let's see if it made any profits. Yes, so far we've only made $250 since then, and that was on the Step Index. And accumulatively, from that period till now, so it's the 28th till the 1st, we've made a total of $4,551.85. So nearly $5,000 in profit, guys, in 5 days, and that is insane. The minimum amount to use this robot is anywhere from $50 to $100. We recommend anywhere from 1 to 2 pairs, just depending on your account size. If you're going to start at 50, we recommend just starting off with Vix75. If you got $100 and above, go ahead and just add those 2 pairs for Step Index and Vix75. Alright, but that is basically it for this update, guys. I want to make it real short. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube over at Forex for Beginners. Man, we're trying to build our community. We have crazy tips and tricks for the Forex markets releasing on a daily basis. And also go ahead and check out our Instagram at PabloPipsFX. There. Alright, so Let's go here. So yeah, the Instagram is Pablo_PipsFX, guys. Also, if you need to download this robot, it's easy. You just tap on this link right here, and it would be this link right here over on our Instagram in the bio. All right, this will actually get you the robot that we're using, also along with the set files that we provide you after your purchase. All right. But that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for checking it out, and do please enjoy your new year, guys. Go out and make the best of this year. Always put God first, never leave him out. And it's been yours truly, PabloPipsFX. I'm out.